Welcome student on another video lecture. Topic is alkaloid. Alkaloid often occurring plant in association with characteristic acid. So they are not present as such in free form, but they are present in associated with certain acid. For example, the tropane alkaloids of Solanaceae and Erythrosalaceae, they are esters. The cinchona alkaloid occurs with cunic and cincotannic acid. So the alkaloids which are present in cinchona, they are occur with the association with cunic and cincotannic acid. Opium alkaloids, they are associated with meconic acid, and in some cases the alkaloid could provide either a means of storing or transporting in soluble form the particular acid. The majority of alkaloids, they are biosynthesized from readily available unit by a series of chemical reaction, but the synthesis of that particular alkaloid is depend upon the type of enzyme which is present in the plant, as well as availability of the precursor, which type of precursors are available, what is the enzyme is available in that plant. According to that, by using series of chemical reaction, different types of alkaloids, they are biosynthesized by the plant by using different biosynthetic pathways. By the use of suitable graft, plant which normally accumulate alkaloid in aerial part, for example Nicotiana and Datura, are produced free of alkaloid. So suitable grafts are used. Scion and bone stock is used, and when they are attached, and the aerial part which contains the alkaloid, which normally accumulate alkaloids in aerial part, for example Nicotiana and Datura. These plants, they synthesize the alkaloids in the root, but they are accumulating the alkaloids in the aerial parts. So if there is lack of alkaloid in scion appear, there is no way to impair its development, because though the alkaloid which is produced in the root, but it is accumulated in the aerial parts, and if the scion is lack of that alkaloid, then it will impair its development. The scion will not develop properly, which suggests non-essential nature of alkaloid. It will tell that the alkaloid nature is non-essential. It is not present in the scion, and there will be impairment in its development. Plants which do not normally contain alkaloid appear usually to suffer no adverse reaction when administered alkaloid. Colchicine is the example. Plants which do not normally contain alkaloids. So the plant is not containing alkaloid normally and appear usually to suffer no adverse reaction. If such in that such plant, if the alkaloids are administered, then there will be no adverse reaction will produce. That is the function of alkaloid. That plant is normally not containing any alkaloid, but if it is administered in the plant, it will not produce any adverse reaction. But colchicine is an exception. If the colchicine is administered, it will produce an adverse reaction. But otherwise, the plant, if not contain any alkaloid, and in that plant, if the alkaloids are administered, they will not produce any adverse reaction. Current research constantly demonstrates not only on alkaloid precipitate in plant metabolism over long term. So the current research that is demonstrating that the alkaloids are participating in plant metabolism for long term, not only participating in plant metabolism, but their daily variation in alkaloidal content, that is qualitative as well as quantitative variation will occur. When the research is performed on that plants for the presence of alkaloid and what is the role of alkaloid actually performed by the alkaloid in the plant. So it will found that the alkaloids, they are participating in plant metabolism. They not only participate in plant metabolism, but their variation will occur, daily variation will occur in qualitatively as well as quantitatively. Quantity will also vary, as well as the quality of alkaloid which is produced, that is also vary, and which is very common in some species. This implies that even if the presence of alkaloid is not vital to the plant, that alkaloid is not important for the plant, they do participate in metabolic sequences. They will participate in metabolism process or metabolic sequences, though these alkaloids are not vital to the plant, and they are not solely the end products of the metabolism, but they will participate in the plant metabolism. So these are the different functions of alkaloid. If you like my video, please press the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you.